Let today the start of something new. The struggle you are doing today will become your strength tomorrow. Hello students, how are you? I hope that you all are well, safe and healthy. Do comment me about yourself in the comment section that how are you and what you have done during vacations. Dear students, as you know that COVID-19 is still there with immense full cases. So be safe, use mask, keep distance and stay at your home and eat healthy food along with doing some exercises. Children, as you know that from today, that is 7th of June 2021, our school is going to restart our online classes just for you so that you will always be in touch with studies, learn something daily and your basic concepts which is in your mind should not be erased. So let students get set go. Keep this thing in mind that the more you practice the better you get. Dear students, I welcome you in 9th class. Myself Dr. Nazmi Fatima and I am going to teach you science subject. As you know that science is very interesting subject. It makes us to think logically and inhibits us to believe on blind faiths and rituals. Science is the intellectual and practical activity and encompasses the systematic study of the structure and the laws of nature with thorough experiment and practical observation. Science is one of the most important channel of knowledge. It has a specific role as well as a variety of functions for the benefit of our society, creating new knowledge, improving education and increasing the quality of our lives. बेटा इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि साइंस एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जो हमको क्रिटिकली एनालाइज करने के लिए एनकरेज करता है और ब्लाइंड फेथ, ब्लाइंड रिचुअल्स को, जो भी हमारे ओल्ड रिचुअल्स है उनको भी फॉलो करने से पहले एक बार सोचने के लिए मजबूर करता है कि वेदर दे आर करेक्ट और इनकरेक्ट. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? Now students, look at this chart. Here the science is basically divided into three main branches, that is life science, earth science and physical science. The life science is again divided into two arms, that is botany and zoology. Beta, botany एक ऐसा subject which we deals about the plants, clear, and the zoology means the subject which deals about the animals, the physiology of animals, clear. Now the earth science. Here we will discuss, we have the two branches, that is geology and meteorology. Geology deals with the earth changes and the meteorology deals with weather. Physical science, here are again two branches, the chemistry and the physics. Chemistry, in which we will study about the chemicals, how the other things are made up of the chemistry, and the physics, matter and energy. Clear? Students, as I informed you that I will teach you the science subject and the book is NCERT Science. Clear? There are total 15 chapters and the first chapter is matter in our surroundings. The second chapter is also related to chemistry. In this chapter we will learn about how the matter is pure and what are the conditions which makes any matter pure or impure. Another chapters are chapter number 3rd and 4th. Both are related to physics. Clear? Physics. Here we will discuss about the atoms, molecules, structure of atoms, and the 5th, 6th and 7th chapter is related to biology. बेटा ये सारे चैप्टर्स जो हैं इसको हम लोगों ने इस तरीके से अरेंज किया है कि आपको हर एक अलग अलग टॉपिक्स को, ब्रांचेस को पढ़ने का मौका मिलेगा ऑल टुगेदर एक साथ. ठीक है? जैसे कि स्ट्रक्चर, द फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ, यहाँ पे हम लोग सेल्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, सेल्स के डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनेलीज के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, टिश्यूज़ के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, एंड द डाइवर्सिटीज़ इन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स. वी सी अराउंड अस द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एनिमल्स and plants also, so how they are differ, what are the basic conditions which makes them to differ from each other. And the next chapter is chapter number 8, motion. Again this motion, the 9th chapter is force and laws of motions and the gravitation, work and energy, sound, These all chapters again come in the topic of physics. Clear? Next is chapter number 13. Why do we fall ill? Natural resources, improvement in food resources. All these chapters we will discuss thoroughly throughout the year. Clear, students? So first let's see the first chapter, that is matter in our surroundings. Students, anything which surrounds us, which you can touch. Though this today's class is introductory class, so I will not start the lesson today, but I will just explain, I will just start a thorough explanation about this chapter, like what is matter, what are the physical nature of a matter, what are the characteristics of the nature of the matter. Clear? And how many states are there of a matter, ये सब चीज़ें हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. I hope you enjoy this class and ready for the next classes. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay home, stay safe.